Welcome to the Experience Centre. Located here at the Boston Whaler factory on the east coast of Florida, the heart of the operations, where passion and precision come together. But not only that, it gives you a great opportunity to really immerse yourself in all things whaler, but also a unique opportunity to go behind the scenes and really see what it takes to build a legend. The US boat shows give you a fantastic opportunity to see the complete lineup of whaler vessels, more so than you would necessarily see at a European boat show. But coming to the Experience Centre allows you to slow down a little bit, really digest the history of this place and personalise your own whaler. Your boat is as unique to you as your journey. So by coming to the Experience Centre, you can check out all the different custom paint finishes. You can look at your upholstery pack, your finishing touches to make your whaler truly yours. So if you're really lucky on your tour, you'll get to come into here. Through this door is the Tech Centre, where tradition meets innovation. This is where all the whaler ideas are born. Each whaler is built to an unwavering attention to detail, whether that be from the tooling, the lamination, the fit out, here in the rigging assembly line. Seeing each process up close, you'll understand why every Boston whaler isn't just a boat, but such a legend. When on your factory tour, you may get the opportunity to be where I am right now, the area that they foam fill the hulls. We have 3 boats behind us being turned into that unsinkable legend with their very special formula of foam. Step behind the scenes and experience the pride that everybody puts into making the whaler, from the lamination, from that fit out, to the technology like Mercury Marine and all the synergy partners to really make your whaler so special. Every detail counts to create one of the most reliable and rugged vessels on the water.